Alright, y'all, I got 12 eggs, a whole dozen of eggs in my muffin pan. I'm just gonna go ahead and whisk up the eggs in here. You can even pour this into a bowl and then pour them in there. This recipe is so easy. We have been getting so many eggs too recently, so this is perfect. Alright, and then I got some bacon right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some of this. This is cooked bacon, y'all, because we don't want to cook extra bacon. This is so easy. Doing like easy recipes. That's all we're here for. Easy, quick recipes. So we put the bacon in there. We're gonna do different ones for each one because some people don't like bacon. I don't know why, but it's delicious. And then here I got some, what is this? Turkey sausage crumbles. This is one of my favorites, y'all. Y'all gotta try this. Add some of that in there. You add whatever toppings you want. This is just some of my favorites here. Yeah, add quite a bit. We'll do like half bacon, half sausage. Yeah, that's right. You can add whatever you want, but this looks good. All right, then we got some jumbo flaky biscuits here. These biscuits, y'all, they are so good. These are the butter kind. These are my favorite. Get this open here. Whoa! That just exploded, y'all. Now, I don't know why that happened. That was fun. Next, we're just going ahead and chop up the little biscuit bites in here because we're gonna put the biscuits in our little muffin pan tins. What is this? No, we got this like silicone thing here. So they're like silicone. Just kind of put the little chunks in there just like that. Don't need to be perfect. We just want biscuits in there, y'all. Yeah, let's get another biscuit here. Just gonna keep chopping away. This is so much fun. This is like fun cooking right here, y'all. Don't need to be perfect, just kind of chop them in there. You know, we're gonna do another biscuit because why not? We can even pull it apart. Yeah, that's actually easier, y'all. Yeah, this is looking good. This is so easy and budget friendly, y'all. All right, so kind of just dip the biscuits in there just like that. And then here I got some cheese here. You can use whatever kind you have. This is like, I don't know, cheddar Monterey Jack or something like that. Just gonna decorate it just like that with the cheese right on top, y'all. Doesn't have to be perfect, just throw it on there. Yeah, that looks good. I'm so hungry. This is like an easy breakfast. You can even pack these like for lunch or snacks. They could even be a dinner if y'all want. Yeah, this looks good. You could even kind of do this like in a cake pan, and then you could have like a cake breakfast. That'd be kind of cool. All right, and then here I got some pepper right here. Just gonna go ahead and crack some of that on there, just like that. Then, we're not finished. We still got some extra toppings to put on top here. We got some Himalayan pink salt. This is my favorite. Only using my favorites today, because why else would we use other stuff? This is so good, y'all. I'm so excited. And here, we got some green onions. Just go ahead and chop some of those on there. We're not gonna do all of them because some people don't like the green onions, which is fine. Ooh, yeah, that looks good. Kind of put them in there a little bit. Just like that. It's like a little craft project we're doing here for our food. Then we're gonna go ahead and bake this in the oven at 350 for 10 to 15 minutes.
Oh, look how good these look, y'all. All right, let's time for the taste test. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look how easy those came out. Wow, look how good that looks. Holy cow. All right, let's go ahead and taste it. Look at that. Oh, it's hot. That is so good. I love that bacon in there. It is delicious. The bacon and the sausage, it is so good.